everyone, so this vlog is about what's inside my work bag. So this is my work bag. It's a Louis Vuitton bag, and I got this one when I went to New York, I think around 2017, something like that. Yeah, so I got this one there. I bought this one. It's my first Louis Vuitton. I'm using this one for my work. Without further ado, let's start it. What's inside my work bag is my name tag. For work, I have to wear this name tag every time na nasa work ako. Tea. A bag of tea. Lagi ako may dalang tea. I don't know why. Nandito siya lagi sa bag. It's always in my bag. Bus ticket. Last night, I have to commute, so I have to buy my ticket and use this one para sa bus. Anong tawag dito?
A few moments later.
Hand sanitizer. Cucumber flavor. Perfume. Para mabango ka lagi. Hindi ka amoy pawis pag nasa work ka. This perfume is YSL Blue for men. First time na binili ko tong bag na to sa New York, the customer sales representative gave me this one. It's a letter from them, and it says here, "Thank you for shopping with us by Evan Soho Louis Vuitton." Of course, for the authenticity, there you go. The receipt. I always keep the receipt inside my bag, so para if there's someone told me, "Oh, your bag is fake," so I have the receipt to show it to them. I think this one is, yeah, so this is the receipt of this bag. This one, you know, this one yung nilalagay sa ibang bag para ma-absorb yung moisture sa loob ng bag mo, so hindi siya magmo-moist, especially this kind of bag because this is leather one, right? So I keep it inside para hindi mag-moist o hindi masira yung bag. My work ID. There you go. So you might be wondering bakit sa name tag ang name ko is John, because my full name is Jerome John. Wait lang. There you go. It's Jerome John. So I use on my ID the name John, and then my name tag, my name Jerome, and then sa name tag is John. Para nagagamit ko yung dalawang pangalan ko. And then sa work, they used to know me as John. My locker keys. There you go. Just in case of emergency, you have to workplace incidents. These are the step-by-step that you have to do and the people that you have to call. And then different emergency response codes. So, para madali mong maintindihan kung ano yung mga naririnig mo sa overhead page ng hospital, ito sila. So, if there's a code blue, code red, code white, code purple, code yellow, code black, code gray, green, brown, and orange. So, it goes with the corresponding meaning. Nandito sa kabila. Yeah, for example, code blue means cardiac arrest, medical emergency. Code red is fire. Code white is violence and aggression. And then, actually, inside this ID, may mga something. May mga kadagdag. So, number one. So, this was the code. The scan card. So, andito lahat ng access mo sa work. Like sa mga restricted area ng work, may mga unit na lock. So, I'll just stop my ID on the door and then the door will open for me. My bag is so simple. There's nothing much. Yeah, that's everything. See you on the next vlog.